Stepping into the Philippine Book Festival for the very first time felt a bit like walking into heaven for book lovers. Everywhere you look, there are shelves of stories waiting to be discovered, authors meeting their readers, and fellow bookworms excitedly talking about the books they love. But of course, hindi lang tayo mag-iikot today. Makikipagchikahan din tayo sa mga fellow attendees, asking them about the books they're buying and the stories that changed their lives. So samahan niyo ako as we explore the festival, discover new titles, and hear real stories from real readers and storytellers. Because today, we're not just surrounded by books. We're surrounded by people who love them as much as we do. Kung nabitin ka at gusto mong malaman kung anong mga kwento ang inuwi ko, pati na rin ang mga naging regrets ko sa pagpunta sa event na ito, tara na sa full episode sa YouTube, Spotify at Facebook. Hanapin nyo lang ang Isang Pahina, Isang Kwento, Isang Aral. Ang sarap pala magbasa.